Quick and easy assembly of sewing machine with table. Step-by-step guide. Here's your step-by-step guide to assembling the table and installing the sewing machine. Legs and drawer assembling. Let's start with the tabletop. Place it on a flat surface and secure the stand's legs in a parallel position, keeping equal distance between them. Use a screwdriver to fasten them at 4 fixed points. All necessary mounting hardware and accessories are included in the kit we're installing the plastic drawer. Fix the guide rails evenly along the right edge of the tabletop at 6 points. Installing the pedal unit. Unboxing the sewing machine. Next, we'll install the pedal unit. Secure the pedal sensor to the tabletop with 4 self-tapping screws. Take the pedal, using 2 10mm wrenches, secure the rod bracket and pedal support to the lower frame with 2 bolts. Install the mount from the inside of the pedal. The pedal should move freely. Attach the pedal rod to the main pedal. Connect the pedal rod to the pedal sensor using 2 10mm wrenches. Adjust the pedal so that it moves freely without excessive effort. Start-stop unit. Focus on the start-stop unit. But first, a few tips on how to adapt the unit for a 110-volt power supply, as most models are designed for 220-volt systems. Fix the unit in place with 2 screws. Connect the wires and secure them under the tabletop with cable clamps. Flip the table over and start installing the machine head. Oil pan. Install the rubber cushions in the 4 corners of the tabletop and secure them. Secure the oil pan to the tabletop with screws. Remove the machine head from the packaging and place it onto the tabletop. For safety and precision, 2 people should perform this step. Wires connection. Perform a small upgrade. You need to open the main control board by unscrewing the bolts near the handwheel and install a special adapter. Reassemble the machine. We recommend that clients order the machine pre-assembled, as reconnecting it yourself requires specific knowledge and skills. Machine head installation. Install the machine into the slots on the tabletop. The head is heavy. Without experience, 2-person handling is advised. Install the machine holders and make sure that the head tilts freely without resistance. Connect the pedal sensor. Tie the wires together for convenient connection. Secure everything firmly in place. Fix the start-stop unit cover. Wiring the power plug. Remove the screws from the plug body to connect the wires. Please note that assembly includes several complex steps and may be difficult without technical experience. If you choose the unassembled option, make sure you are ready for some setup challenges. The bobbin stand. Let's open the bobbin stand. Packaging. Use a wrench to properly install the bobbin stand into the tabletop. Install all included components. Clean the working surface. The machine is fully assembled and ready for use. More sewing machines and helpful tips at prisasewing.com.